How to auto delete OTP messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to auto delete OTP messages on your iPhone. So your iPhone can automatically remove one-time passwords and verification codes after you have used them, keeping your inbox clean and clutter-free. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now once you have opened the settings, simply tap on the general option. And now once you are here, simply tap on the option labeled as autofill and passwords. And now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as delete after use. So simply toggle on that option. And once you have done that, your OTP messages will be removed after they are used. And that's it. That's how you can auto delete OTP messages on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.